Hello everyone, good morning. So today we will be having a tutorial on how to connect your Audicent AI to your Binance. No? So if you're not yet really familiar with Audicent, you can check my other video on the full presentation of Audicent. Ayan, no? So maglalagin lang tayo sa ating Binance account. So all you need to have is your Binance account, no? So kailangan nyo muna itong ilagin. Ayan, so hinihintay natin yung OTP na dumating, and once nakalagin na tayo, no, make sure that you have at least $125 balance in your spot account, no, sa inyong Binance. So ayan, nakalagin na tayo sa ating Binance. So you check your Binance, yung sa pinaka user interface niyan, no, meron niyang more options sa baba, no. So hanapin natin yung more options sa baba. Check mo, no. Ayan, bago nyo pala hanapin, of course, mag-login muna kayo sa inyong Audicent account. Make sure that you already have a bot, ha. So, for example, ako, yung bot ko is $100. So, ayan, makikita mo, $100 yung aking bot, no. Then, lalabas yung options na yan, no. So, yan yung mga options na gagamitin natin mamaya to connect your AI bot to your Binance account. So again, yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko talaga dito sa Audicent is you don't have to bring your money out of your Binance. So whatever you have in your Binance, nandyan lang siya. So the moment nakalagin na kayo, punta na kayo sa baba nung sa Binance, no? More options. Sa pinakababa talaga, like yung sa pinakababa niya, hanapin niyo yung API management. Alright? So once nahanap niyo na yung API management, click niyo lang yung API management, no? Once na-click niyo yan, lalabas yung create API, no? So kiklik nyo yung create API. Pag click nyo yan, system generated or self generated, no? So system generated tayo na API. Right, so once nalagay na siya, you create a name, no? So nilagay ko dito trial account. So once na na-create na siya, ayan, no? So mag-authenticate siya through your email at saka through your phone, no? So again, dito sa Audicent, you don't have to bring your money out of your Binance, no? So whatever you have in your wallet, it's just there. Then the AI will just help it grow. Yung kagandahan lang nito, your money is really secured because it's just in Binance, no? So unlike other platforms na kailangan mong ibigay sa kanila yung pera tapos biglang pag nag-close, no, wala ka na rin makukuha. So dito, whatever you have is just in your Binance account, no? So sa Binance account natin, take note, meron tayong tatlong wallets dyan. Meron tayong futures wallet, spot wallet, and meron tayong funding wallet. Make sure that your USDT, no, is in your funding, it's in your spot wallet, no? So depende kung anong AI yung gagamitin nyo, futures or spot. So ako, spot kasi yung gagamitin ko. So, kaya siya dyan. So, alright, hinihintay na natin yung OTP sa phone. So, sa spot, dapat nakalagay yung USDT, no? So, ang gusto ko rin is USDT siya. So, hindi siya nagfa-fluctuate. Whatever the value is of the dollars, yun din yung value niya. So, andyan yung OTP natin. So, makaka-create na tayo ng new API, no? So, yung new API natin is trial account, no? So, you just edit the trial account. Edit mo lang siya. Pag-click mo ng edit, ayan, makikita mo na yung API key, makikita mo yung secret key. Tapos may mga options dyan sa baba, no? Make sure you enable, no? So ayan yung API key, yung secret key. Make sure you enable reading, tapos you enable spot and margin trading. The rest, make sure na hindi yan naka-check, no? Especially yung withdraw. Actually, kahit i-click mo yung withdraw, hindi mo yan siya makiklik, no? Because ayan, i-click mo yung nasa baba, no? So, yung maganda dito sa business natin, hindi pwedeng mag-withdraw yung AI. So, nakita nyo naman doon kanina sa settings, it can only enable your spot trading and, yeah. So, nandun lang siya. So, hindi niya kayang mag-withdraw doon sa account mo, no? So, once you set up your API, punta ka na doon sa bots, no? Then, API credentials. Click mo yung live. Not yung paper has sa live ka. So, spot live. Lalagay mo yung name. So, yung name ng API ko is trial account. No? Check natin kung parehas. Trial account, no? So, that's the name. Then, yung API key. Copy mo lang yung API key. from your Binance. Yan. Then copy mo yung secret key, no? So you make sure you have a copy of this. Ako nilagay ko siya sa notes kasi once na save mo ito, hindi mo na ma-view yung secret key, no? So lalagay mo yung total amount of money na ipapamanage mo sa AI natin. So for this, I'll try yung $125. No? So, para maliit lang. Tapos once na nalagay mo na dyan, kakopy mo yung IP address naman ng Odyscent. Yun naman yung ilalagay mo sa Binance. So once you copy the API key and secret key, no, from Binance to Odyscent, ito naman Odyscent to Binance. So yung sa pinakababa, no, yung restrict access, dyan mo siya ilalagay, then confirm. Once na confirm mo, lalabas na siya dyan, no, yung mga API. I think 10 yan siya na IP addresses. Once you done that, save ka na. Yan. Tapos mag-OTP siya ulit. So, hintayin lang natin yung OTP. No? So, whatever you have, again, money in your Binance, it's just there in your spot wallet. Then, whatever profit you have is just also there. No? So, very safe and secured yung money natin because it's just in Binance. No? So, basically, we just bought the AI to help us, no? Grow whatever money we have in our Binance. So, ayan, tapos na, nagawa ko na yung API ko. No? So, balik ako doon sa Odyscent. Medyo inuubo tayo today. So, pagbalik mo doon sa Odyscent, may nakalagay dyan, no? So, read that. Make sure you don't do manual trading. Make sure you have enough balance in your Binance account para hindi rin mahirapan yung AI, no, to reach yung goal niya na income. So once that you make next, no? Kaya lang hindi na ako maka-next kasi meron naman akong AI na, no? So hindi na siya lalabas diyan. However, pag wala pa kayong API kasi na-connect ko na yung akin, no, lalabas yun dyan pending after nun ng next, no? After that, pipili na tayo ng bots, no? So yung akin yan, yung 375 USDT, yan yung akin, no? So as of now, I have around 385 USDT in my Binance, no? So ayan yung kanyang monthly record. So you can first check, no? Ito medyo maganda-ganda kasi yung kanyang record ay consistent siya, no? So 9 to 11% consistent siya. But you can also search sa baba, no? So may mga nakalagay dyan na recommended amount of money that you have in your Binance account. So since yung pinili natin is yung 125 bot, dito tayo sa Mana USDT na bot, no? So 125 USDT ang kanyang i-manage, no? Tingnan nyo yung iba, 14%, no? So yan yung kanyang mga output. So eto, yan. After nyo dyan na-click, click mo lang yung copy. Pag-click mo ng copy, no, lagay mo dyan yung name ng API mo. So akin, hindi ko na magagamit yung akin kasi one bot lang yung hawak ko. So meron na yan siya. After mo doon, na-click yung copy doon, no, proceed ka na sa next step, no. So again, balik ka doon sa bot na hinanap mo, and basic bot, 13% a month average. Click mo yan, no? Tapos next. Hanapin mo yung API name mo dyan, tapos next ka, no? So pagka next mo dyan, makikita mo doon sa bots mo nakalagay yan pending. Within 24 hours lalabas yung approved, no? So as of now, pending ang nakalagay dyan. So for example, akin, ayan, active na siya kasi yan yung 375, yung sa pinakataas kasi yung kinuha ko, no? So active na siya, $375 yung kanyang minamanage doon sa aking Binance account, no? So you can monitor, no, the output of the AI every day, no? So ayan yung aking AI, si Odyscent dyan, no? So makikita mo yung kanyang trade history. So kahapon 3 PM he earned 25 cents USDT. So not bad. Wala naman akong ginawa buong hapon, maghapon. So kumita siya ng 25 cents, no? So ayan yung minamanage niya. Magkano yan? 380 plus. Nasa 380 plus yung kanyang minamanage, no? So basically ganun lang, no? So all you need to have is your Binance account and your Odyscent account, no? Once you already have your AI, you just have to connect it to your Binance account, no? Whatever money you have in your Binance, for example, nilagay mo doon $1,000 or $500 or $125, the AI will be working 24/7 for you to grow, no, your Binance account, no? So, thank you so much and see you on our next video.